Now see next topic, time before the common era and Christian era. Now you can see here the period before the common era is known as the before common era. You can see here before common era. The period before the common era is known as before common era, means the period before the birth of Jesus Christ is known as before common era. The year of this period are counted and written in reverse order. You can see here the year of this period is counted reverse order. The first century before the common era began at the year 100 BCE. BCE means what? Before common era. BC means before common era and BC means before common. The first century of the common era means the first century. You can see here first century. The first century of common era began at the years 100 BC means before common era and ended with the 1 BC and ended with the 1 BC. 1 BC means 1 ended with the 1 BC means what? Before common. Then similar, the first million before the common era began at the 1000 BCE means what? Before common era and ended with the 1 BCE means what? Before common era. So the first century before the common era is indicate 100 BC. And the first million before the common era indicate as 1000 BC means what? The years of this era means before common era as showing the reverse order. You can see here, and in the first topic I told you when we this era is showing the year. When we need to show the first century of this period, we need to write 1-100 C means common era. And similarly, when we need to show the before common era, that time we have to write this number reverse means we have to write first 100-1 BCE means before common era. See, you can see this is a period of before common era and this is a period is showing common era. When we need to show this period of before common era, that time we have to write the numbers reverse like this 100-1. And when we have to show any event in this period in common era, that time we have to write like this number like 1-100 CE. And when we have to show the first millennium means for first 1000 years in this before common era, that time we have to write reverse like 1000-1 BCE means before common era. Did you get this? The difference between before common era and common era. In common era, we need to, when we have to show any events happen in this era, that time we need to write the years like 1-1000 CE like this. I am giving example. And when we have to show any event happen in before common era means before the birth of Jesus Christ, that time we need to write the years like this, like 100 we have to write first, then -1 BC means we need to write this year reverse. So are you understanding? Okay. Now let's look at some example of this method. Indicate the before of common or Christian era. The lifetime of Vardhaman Mahavir. Okay, the lifetime of Vardhaman Mahavir is written as 599 BC to 527 BC. BC means what? Common era means the life of Vardhaman Mahavir means the life of Vardhaman Mahavir. What is the time period? What is the lifetime or time period of Vardhaman Mahavir? 599 BC to 527 BC means BC means what? Before common means year. during this period 599 to 570. During this period Vardhaman Mahavir was born and died. Are you understanding? Then the lifetime of Gautam Buddha written as 563 BC till 483 BC. BC means what? Before common, means before the birth of Jesus Christ. Means here the time period of Gautam Buddha 563 BC till to 486 BC. Means here in this in these two period, between these two period here. Okay, that's it. Now let's see the next topic and last topic of this lesson. We will move ahead.